Air Dior Retro 1 Jordans. A collaboration between the luxury fashion house Dior and the Air Jordan Jumpman design team to create the most luxurious Air Jordan 1s ever. The release of the Air Dior Jordan 1s was set to coincide with the 35th anniversary of the original Air Jordan. The launch of these sneakers was limited to select boutiques and Dior pop-up shops with the original price tag of $2,000. However, if you wanted to buy a pair today, they will cost you between $10,000 and $20,000. These replicas I'm showing you sell for about $150. When I first opened the box, I was surprised at the quality. They felt well made, the stitching was good, no glue issues between the uppers and the lowers, the translucent blue bottoms matched perfectly. These replicas are well reproduced with great attention to detail. So who do I think these replicas are for? The fact that these identical replicas, one-to-one with serial numbers, include all the extras and the box, these are perfect for the collector who likes to show off on the internet.
Oh.
However, if you're someone like me who isn't a collector, but rather someone who likes to wear cool, limited edition sneakers, I can tell you these sneakers are very comfortable. One of my big concerns with ordering sneakers online will always be the fit. Will it be too big, too small, too wide? I'm happy to say these actually run true to size, matching my other Nikes in my collection. So if you're interested in some Air Diors or other replica sneakers, check out the links in the video description below for where I got mine. Don't forget to share this video with your friends on social media. It's easy, just hit that share button. Finally, if you stuck around this long, I'm going to thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of these sneakers. Anyway, it's your boy Chris. Until next time, peace.